I promise you, I will always be with you.
Always and forever. Daddy. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Daddy! Daddy!
Make sure you eat the red apple every day.
No! I am not eating any red apples again. I need to face reality.
Talo ni red apples.
Delivery guy can't look around and put order for.
Nope. What is it? What is this? Stop it there! I don't want to see red apples anywhere in this office or anywhere around me.
That's so funny. Red apples are seductive and they symbolize love.
It also symbolizes destruction. I mean, look at the Garden of Eden. The red apple was used to manipulate Eve to break the rule of God. And here we are. The life is in chaos, peril, destruction, hatred towards one another.
Enough.
Medusa, no. Back off. Don't kill her. Leave her. Eniola, don't kill her. Medusa, no. Medusa, no. No.
Bí kí ẹni ìtàn máa dá sọ̀rọ̀, bí kò máa pariwo.
Dá sọ̀rọ̀ láì ṣe wèrè.
Kàkà kí wọ́n gbà ẹ́ gbọ́, wọ́n máa rò pé bóyá o ti ya wèrè.
Arábìnrin, ibi tó ti yan tiẹ̀ yìí àpẹẹrẹ ẹ̀bẹ̀ mọ̀ gángan mọ̀ ní.
Ewé àtẹ̀gbọ̀n mélòó kan ló mọ̀?
Iná tí ọ̀gbọ́dọ̀ kò fi sílà mẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ kú.
Ẹgbẹgbẹ̀rún ọdún lónìí, gbáyìn lókè, òkè gbáyìn.
What's happening? What is it?
This guy here is not your friend.
Traitor! I will end you.
No! You lie! Even if it is going to cost me my last breath, my friend, Medusa.